Welcome to Havilah Elsha kitchen. As you can see, today I am wearing a short coat, and as many of you know, I am studying in AS REQ International Institute of Hotel Management. It is the best college to study and also develop your skills in related to hotel and hospitality industry. Today I am going to prepare a recipe which is related to our college practical Kashmiri style Rogan Gosh and Modur Pulao. And special thanks to our principal sir, Mr. SIZZLER sir, and our chef, Mr. Bhaskar sir, and our mentor, CHETTINADU sir. Okay, let's get started. 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Okay, and now I am going to add cloves, 2 green cardamom, anise, okay, the cinnamon stick, bayleaves, and a few peppercorns. Okay, like this. Now we are going to add 1½ cup of sliced onion. Okay. Ginger and garlic paste, and solid brown.
Now add half kg cleanly washed mutton and mix well. Add good amount of water for mutton to cook well. Now close the kadai using lid and cook mutton for a minimum of 35 minutes so that mutton becomes soft. Okay, mutton is getting cooked. On the other end, let's prepare Modur Pulao. Okay, first add 2 tablespoons of ghee, the whole spices. First is the bay leaf, peppercorns, cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom, anise. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar and half a glass of water and stir well. And make sure sugar dissolves well. Now add chopped dates, almonds, raisins, cashew nuts and fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, now add 80 to 85% pre-cooked basmati rice and stir well. And make the surface flat. and pour saffron soaked water on top of the rice. And 2 tablespoons of ghee. Close the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. And if you find your rice is hard, you can add water a little bit in the corners. It's been 15 minutes and I'm opening the lid. Transfer it to serving bowl. Wow, delicious! Okay, now our Modur Pulao is ready to serve. Let's go back to our Rogan Gosh, and I see mutton is 80% cooked. So let's prepare a masala mix for adding to the curry. Okay, now we'll make some masala mix for our Rogan Josh curry. Yeah. Take a bowl, add 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half tablespoon of hing, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of fennel powder or some powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, salt as required, few saffron strands, and mix well. And pour a bit of water to make a fine paste. Here is our paste. Okay, now add this paste into our curry. Yeah. Now mix well. Okay, now add half a cup of thick yogurt and again mix and cook further so that mutton gets cooked completely. Yeah, here my mutton is ready. As a final touch, add a little of fresh cream. Yeah, that is enough. And sprinkle some coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Now transfer the curry into a serving bowl. Okay, now our juicy Rogan Josh curry is ready to serve. Thanks for watching our video. For more updates, please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havilah Elsha Kitchen.